Hello everyone. In this session, we will be understanding the disciplinary inquiry panel within the Onfinity system. To begin, let's look at the definition of the disciplinary inquiry panel and its use case. A disciplinary inquiry panel is a committee appointed by an organization to investigate alleged misconduct or violations of organizational rules by an employee, ensuring a fair hearing and recommending appropriate disciplinary action based on the findings. Use case of disciplinary inquiry panel. An employee is reported for misconduct. The HR department sets up a disciplinary inquiry panel in the system to define the offense, assign panel members, and manage the inquiry process, ensuring fair investigation and consistent disciplinary action. Next, let's look at the steps involved in creating a disciplinary inquiry panel. To begin the process, log into the system. Navigate to HR Management in the menu and select General Setup. Then, open the Disciplinary Inquiry Panel screen. Create a new record to enter the details for the inquiry panel and save the record. Next, we have the prerequisites required for setting up the disciplinary inquiry panel. The following screens should be predefined: organization and the business partner. Now, let's cover use case execution of the disciplinary inquiry panel. Admin will log into the system. Go to the HR Management in menu, and then General Setup. Go to the Disciplinary Inquiry Panel screen. Create a new record and add Disciplinary Inquiry Panel details. Save the record once all the details added. Now let's move into the system. This is the login page of the Onfinity system. We will begin by logging in as an admin. I will enter the username and password here. Click on the Login button. This is the home page, where various charts and widgets are displayed. Some of these widgets and charts currently show no data because related transactions have not yet been recorded. Once records are added, the charts and widgets will automatically update. Now, let's navigate to the Disciplinary Inquiry Panel screen. To proceed, go to the menu and open the HR Management folder. Next, navigate to General Setup and select the Disciplinary Inquiry Panel screen. Click New Record to begin creating a panel. Based on the organization selected in the user profile, the same organization will automatically appear here. However, you may change it if needed. If you want to configure the disciplinary inquiry panel for a specific organization, select that organization. If you want it to apply to all organizations, select the star organization. For now, I will select the star organization. Then, enter the name of the disciplinary inquiry panel. Here, I am entering Disciplinary Review Committee. Next, select the offense type for which you want to create this inquiry panel. In this example, I am creating the panel for the offense, late to work. Enter a description if needed. Here, I am entering panel constituted to review and evaluate disciplinary cases. After entering all the details, click the Save button to save the record. Next, open the Panel Members tab, where we will add the panel members one by one. Click the Panel Members tab, then click on New Record. The organization and offense type fields will be automatically populated from the header. Select the member type, either internal or external. Here, I am selecting internal. Once the member type is selected, the internal-external panel member field becomes editable. To add the member's name, click the Employment Information button. This displays the names of all employees in the system. I will select Ishan Joshi, as only one employee can be selected at a time, and click OK. If needed, add a description. Then click on Save button to save the record. Now, I want to add one more member to the panel. For that, click on New Record button again. Select the member type. This time, I will choose External, as I want one external panel member as well. Click the button to select an external member. Here, we can see that only one external member is available, as defined in the Business Partner screen. Select the member's name and click OK. Add a description if required, and then click on Save button. I have now added the 2 members required for this panel. Click back, and you will see that 2 member entries have been created successfully. You can add as many members as needed in the same way. This is how a disciplinary inquiry panel can be created. That concludes this session. Thank you for attending.